Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I'm pretty excited because I was just sent this. This is a set of 3 cast iron cooking pans. They're not just cast iron though, these are ceramic coated cast iron, and they are beautiful. They come in a couple of different colors. I got the red ones here, really liking the red. The ceramic coating is extremely slick. It is cast iron, which means you can put these in the oven. They're electric stovetop safe. They're even gas rated safe. They have glass and stainless steel lids, very nice, and I'm loving the fact that it's got this notch on the side to allow you to pour out things out of the side, like some liquid, which is really nice there as well. If you're cooking on the stove, they've also give you these handles, which you can use to slide on. They go on there really nice, so that way you're cooking on the stove, you've got that, including these larger ones have this additional built-in cast iron handle here, which is very nice. And if you're going to put it in the oven, you pull that off, and this whole thing can go in the oven to bake something in, which is great. I mean, this would make short work of eggs or steak or anything you want to put on here. And because it comes in the 8, in the 10, and the 12-inch sizes, you'll have a variety of choices pretty much for any occasion.